The Data and Privacy page allows you to verify your hosting region, request records, and easily access legal agreements. To manage these settings, navigate to Configuration and select Data and Privacy in the Admin Portal sidebar. The default Data Hosting tab provides transparency into the geographic location of your organization's data infrastructure, which you selected during your initial workspace registration. If your company relocates, you can click the Contact Support link to initiate a secure migration request. If you have an international workforce, you can explore the Global Plus add-on to secure a dedicated Global CDN and multi-region redundancy. Because we believe you own your data, the Data Export tab allows you to request a complete archive of your organization's records at any time. Simply click Request Data Download, and a prompt will instruct you to email our support team, who will compile your files and send you a secure link. Finally, the Legal Resources tab acts as a quick reference library. Clicking any of the links, such as the Terms of Use, Privacy Policy, or the TechClass Trust Center, will open the respective official document in a new tab for your review.